Hello my dear friends, let us solve the BRS question of September 2024, question number 2a, which was asked for 10 marks. It is again a question without adjusted cash book method. So let us start. The cash book of Hari showed a debit balance. So cash book debit balance means it is cash at bank. So debit balance cash at bank means it is a positive amount. We will write it in the add column. So this is my base. So cash book will be considered as base which can be altered. Next, as on 31st December 2023, which was in disagreement with the balance as per passbook. So passbook balance is not equal to cash book balance. There are various reasons for the difference. The discrepancies were noticed. First one, dividend of rupees 18,000 was deposited in the bank, of which Hari had no information. Before analyzing that, let us write the first point. In the books of Mr. Hari, BRS as on 31st December 2023. So it is a balance as per cash book. So it is not bank overdraft, it is balance as per cash book. So first heading, so balance as per cash book. It is our starting point. It is how much? Amount 136,800. We will write it in the add column. 136,800. Next one. Adjustment number 1. Dividend of rupees 18,000 was deposited in the bank. When it is deposited in the bank, my balance will increase in the passbook. In the bank, of which Hari had no information. So no entry is made in the cash book. So passbook, there is a plus 18,000. Cash book, there is no increase or no decrease. So what we have to do it in the cash book? Since cash book is my base, I can alter only the cash book. So cash book I have to add back 18,000. So we will write it in the add column. Dividend received in bank. Add column 18,000. Next, adjustment number 2. Check was issued to Suresh for 14,780 on 18/12/2023. This is the correct amount. So when Suresh presented this check in the bank has paid 14,780 and they have made up entry in passbook minus 14,780, but which was recorded in the cash book as 14,870. But while recording in the cash book, the accountant has written 14,870. So now my cash book is not equal to passbook. My base is cash book. So I have to alter only the base amount, that is cash book. So to make them equal, I have to, how much is the difference? 90 rupees is the difference. That has to be added in the cash book. Now if you see 14,870 plus 90 minus 14,870 plus 90, it will be minus 14,780. My cash book will be equal to passbook. So plus 90 is the adjustment which we have to do. Adjustment number 2, check issued recorded wrong amount. Here we have to show the calculation. 14,870 minus 14,780. 90 rupees in the add column. Then adjustment number 3. Under adjustment number 3, checks totaling rupees 55,000 were deposited. Deposited means my balance will increase into bank on 30th December 2023, which were not cleared until 31st December 2023. So check deposited but not yet cleared. Timing difference. So when we have deposited, immediate entry was passed in the cash book plus 55,000. But no deposit has taken place, no checks were cleared. So passbook there is a plus 0. So to make them equal, cash book has to be reduced by 55,000. So less column minus 55,000. That is, in the less column we will write 55,000. Next one. Mediclaim premium rupees 14,160 was paid. Paid means balance will decrease as per the standing instruction of Hari, which was not recorded in the cash book. So passbook there is a decrease of 14,160. Cash book there is no change. It is same 0. So we have to minus 14,160 in the cash book now. So cash book less column 14,160. Next one. Adjustment number 5. Goods amounting to rupees 1,60,000 were sold to Ajay in November 23. He deposited the check. When the amount is deposited, my balance will increase. On 15/12/23, after deducting 4% cash discount. So 1,60,000 minus 4%. So it is 1,53,600 he has deposited in my bank account. This entry was missed while preparing the cash book. There is no entry in the cash book. My passbook balance has increased by 153,600. Cash book there is no change. So in cash book I have to add back 153,600 since cash book is my base. So add column 1,60,000 minus 4%. It will be 1,53,600 in the add column. Next adjustment. Bank charges. Because of that my balance will decrease. For issue of checkbook, rupees 150 was kept while preparing the cash book. So passbook there is a decrease of 150. Cash book has remained the same 0. So we have to deduct 150 here. So less column 150 rupees. Then next adjustment. Hari received UPI of 1000 on 29/12/2023 for sale of scrap. So we have received the amount. Balance has increased in the passbook. So plus 1000. But not entered in the cash book. Cash book is only 0. So to make it equal, add 1000. So add column 1000. Then last adjustment. Check amounting to rupees 1,80,000 were issued during the month, but check of rupees 1,44,000 were only presented during the month for payment. So in my passbook only 1,44,000 is reduced, but in my cash book we have made an entry for payment of how much? 1,80,000. All those checks which were issued they were not presented for payment. So what is the difference? 180 minus 1,44,000. So still 36,000 checks are pending. That I have to add it back in the cash book. Then my cash book will be equal to passbook. So here plus 36,000. Add column. Now let us check the total of the debits, add column and less column. So add column we will do it first. 136,800, 1890, 153,600, 1,000 and 36,000. It is 3,12,490. Less column 55, 14, 160, 150, 69,310. So what is the difference of these two things? So 312,490 minus 69,310. Sorry, the total is wrong here. There is a totaling error. The add total column is 3,45,490 minus 69,310. So it comes to 276,180. So add column is heavier. So I have to write it in the less column 276,180. So here 345,490 and here also 345,490. So this is add column is heavier. That is why it is cash balance, cash at bank as per passbook. It is not the bank overdraft. So this is the answer for your question of September 2024. If you have any doubts, you can comment on this video. Thank you.